Welcome to my another vlog, and today I am going to review the new Mercedes-Benz AMG A35. The exterior looks quite sporty. It gets the new LED headlamps, and this is just for styling. Chrome finish is given over here as well as over here, and the AMG badging is given, and the big Mercedes logo. Same way here, and gets the turbo 4MATIC engine. From the side it looks quite good and decent. LED tail lamps is quite a shape of a lever, and it even gets this spoiler, quite a sporty spoiler. A35 badging is given over here. AMG. Let us open and check out. Quite simple opening, quite decent enough of space. Storage over here, storage over here. Let us now check out the interior. Black leather finish with a double red stitching, chrome garnish, lock, unlock. This is also 3-way power seats. Now let us sit inside and see. Quite comfortable and spacious in the front row, and it gets the 3-spoke sporty steering wheel with the double red stitching all over the steering wheel, as you can see, and of course the cruise control over this side and steering controls over this side, and paddle shifters of course, and the gear knob is given over here, and the display is quite massive, I can say. Driver side information is provided, and here is the infotainment display. As you can see, touchscreen infotainment display, and here is the black element which separates the driver cockpit and the infotainment display. And the AC vents are in the round shape, and these are the AC controls over here. It is the automatic climate control AC of course, and wireless charging is provided over here. Twin cup holders. While talking about the key is quite similar to the Mercedes EQC. Well, talking about the glove box, yeah, it is a cool glove box with lighting over inside, as you can see there. And the sunroof is a panoramic sunroof, quite interesting, and the sunroof controls are over here. It even gets the emergency buttons as usual. Emergency buttons over here, call me. These are all sunroof controls, and lights are given over here. The lighting controls are given over here, and the auto hold and parking button is given here. While talking about the volume, we can control the volume from here also, as well as we can select different modes, that is eco, dynamic, sport, each modes. Deep storage. Well, the leg space as well as the knee room is quite good, as well as in the rear side. And talking about the headroom is also decent enough. It does not touch to my head, and reading lamps are given over here. This is the hook, and these are the buttons for the reading lamps. Yeah. One important thing I forgot to mention you about is this seat belts. These seat belts are given in the red color, indicating that it is a sporty AMG version. And the red stitching is not only provided in the front but all over the car, be it this storage unit, be it here, or be it everywhere. And even it comes with the armrest, of course. There are two twin cup holders. For opening the twin cup holders, you have to press over here, I guess. Yeah. Well, personally, I like this car, and it's quite suitable for the young people, car enthusiasts, who love sporty cars and love to speed, love to cruise. So yeah, and also if you like this video, give it a like, share, and also comment which feature of this car did you like. Also subscribe to our channel for new car reviews, scoops, and more.